Okay, so this is Gigabyte X99 UD5 Wi-Fi with the i7-6900k 8-core 16 thread. I'm gonna build a PC with both Windows and Big Sur. Thermaltake V100, and this one, the only case that still have some 5.25-inch bay. So the inside of this case is big enough for me to put the motherboard in and a 700 watts power supply. So this is a PVR 700 watts power supply. It's called Beast, 700 watts. And it does have blue fan on. Back of this case, it has two 3.5 hard drive bay and a dedicated power supply section. So the case and the motherboard fit perfectly with all the holes in place. And the back is beautiful. The back plate will be lighted. Okay, so there are a total of 9 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to secure the motherboard. Okay, so this is a Sapphire. This is the Radeon R9 280. This one should work with Hackintosh. Okay, so we need to open another slot here for the graphic card. Take one of these out. We need to plug in the 24-pin power. This 8-pin is not long enough. We don't have the removable 2 8-pins, so we push the 2 8-pin in to the 6 pins, and they do fit. Now we have to reroute the cable, the 8-pin CPU power through this, so we can plug it in. I got one NVMe and also one SATA SSD. Western Digital WD Blue SN550 NVMe. So it's in place. So this is WD 500 gig SSD. Oh, it power up very nicely.